turn left a little.
Are you videoing me?
I'm trying, yeah. I'm videoing now.
This is the sighting of a real orca whale.
Get us
He's
close.
probably been away.
You never know.
Did you see that?
I got it.
Dad, keep videoing. It's gonna
Okay,
come
paddle right a little. Okay, that's good. Well, he's been. Whoa.
Did you video that?
Yeah.
Keep videoing.
They're eating seals.
Aww.
Are they really?
I'd like to think they're eating salmon.
Yeah, salmon's not as bad. Like, you turn us to the right a little bit. There you go.
That's huge waves. Please don't say they're fishing.